Duh.
Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Actually now we are one step back to get into actual content. I think you have seen my previous videos. The reason for creating that videos is because when one person is trying to learn something new, I will suggest that person to start from very basics, and fundamentals are the root and also very important. So without knowing this, there is no use for learning further. And suppose if you ignore basics and try to learn that, you will be not able to understand for sure. So my teaching will be like it covers from very basics to advanced, and if any third person like interviewer or your senior or your lecturer or your friend or anybody, if cross questions you, you will definitely with no doubt you will answer it by following my video. Not simply following my videos, maintain a proper notes. Okay, that is up to you because some will maintain and some will not. That is up to your interest only. But main thing is to do practice repeatedly as a loop until you get it. I think it's enough and let's stop this discussion guys here. Let's discuss now about small topic, that is compiler and interpreter. And guys, this is last theory video of Python, and for further we will be doing practical things. So now coming to compiler, compiler scans the entire program and translates that into machine code at once. Means if you have 100 lines of code, then compiler will convert all the 100 lines into machine code in single attempt. A compiler generates the error message only after it scans the complete program. And here debugging is so hard. What do you mean by debugging? Debugging means finding the error or bug and removing it later in the code or software. So programming language comes under this one are C and C++. Means C and C++ uses the compiler. Now coming to the interpreter, interpreter translates just one statement of the program at a time into machine code. So as I have given example of 100 lines of code, let us consider that only. So if we use interpreter in that case, it converts line by line into machine code. So it converts line by line until it finds first error, and if error spotted, it stops working. So that's why debugging is easier. Then Python is which language? Whether it falls under compiler or interpreter. Python is an interpreter language. This means that it inherits all the features of interpreter. Of course, it adds some of its unique features also. And if you want to program in Python, you will need the Python interpreter. And you won't be able to run your code without it. Fortunately, Python is free. And in my previous video, we also seen that how to install Python and don't need of any interpreter as we downloaded in that video only. That's all about this video guys, and we will be meeting in next video. And don't forget that our videos will be more interesting and more practical in upcoming, as the theory stuff has been completed right now and there is no more theory. So take care, bye, see you.